Hello everyone, a very pleasant morning to all of you. My name is Gurpreet Kaur. Today I'm sitting before you to tell about the topic which is very good, New Education Policy 2020. So we all know that the year 2020 is brushed for both the world because of pandemic COVID-19, but in this pandemic the structure of education is totally changed. And the name of policy is New Education Policy 2020, and the policy opens the gate of golden opportunities for students. First of all, we talk about what is new education policy. This is very important because it contains all the information and introduction and starting of new education policy. So what is new education policy? The Modi government announced the new education policy 2020, which brings about several major reforms in India in education. PM Modi said that these reforms would transform the lives of millions of Indians. Among the major reforms, the 10 plus 2 structure in the schooling system has been replaced by the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. And the new education policy have the big five changes in the schools and higher education. The Indian government replaced a 34 years old national policy on education framed in 1986. With the new education policy, the NEP approved by the Union Cabinet makes sweeping including teaching. Some of the biggest highlights of NEP 2020 are first of all, a single regulator for higher education institutions. The second one is multiple entries and exit options in the degree courses. The third one is discontinuation of MPhil programs. The fourth one is low stake based exam. The fifth, the fifth one is a common entrance exam for universities. So this is all the highlights of NEP. The NEP 2020 is aimed at bringing transformational changes in the Indian education system with a global perspective. The policy lays special emphasis on the early child care education. It's the ECCE and the development by the including a play-based multi-factored curriculums. So the NEP 2020 have some key points also. The first one is scrolling from the age of 3 year. The second one is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education structure. The third one is no rigid separation between science, art and commerce. The fourth one is internships and vocational education from class 6. The fifth one is board exam will be low stakes. The sixth one is FYUP programs return in this education policy. And the seventh one is 50% gross enrollment ratio from 2035. The eighth one is set like college test. The ninth one is MPhil is to be discontinued. The 10th one is cap on college fees. So this is all the highlights and key points of New Education Policy 2020. NEP 2020 reaffirms the recommendation of increasing public spending on education 6% of GDP. The last one is conclusion. The new education policy 2020 is good policy as it aims at making the education system holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary, elegant to the needs of 21st century and the 2030 sustainable development goals. So this is all about the new education policy 2020. I hope you like my speech, you like my video, and thank you for giving me your precious time to watch this video. Thank you so much. Bye.